Ever felt a crack in your back and wondered if bone setting is a magic trick or a really bad idea? Many people believe that only trained professionals can help with bone issues. But did you know self-bone setting, while risky, is a common practice by many? Another myth is that bone setting is always painful. It can be gentle and relieving. And let's not forget the misinformation about who should do it. Non-professional providers can often do more harm than good. So, it's crucial to do your research before trying any of these practices. Knowledge is your best ally. Stay informed and always consult a professional.